let's get it going. Windshield's filthy, but we're gonna try and make some video out of it. We're out in the countryside, man. Route 55, kind of southeast of Louisville, Kentucky. Rolling to my pickup here. Don't think I've been this route yet. I just almost rammed into like 5 deer crossing the road. So that was interesting. It's a nice small town. Chilly outside, but it's not like too terrible, you know. The sunset was nice. That's for sure. Try to go pick up this load, at least get out of this countryside by nighttime before sun starts falling and these roads start freezing up. It's already kind of sketchy in some areas. I got a while to go. Still got 28 miles. Telling me 65 miles. It's crazy. I apologize for the windshield. I know it's dirty, but I'll clean it when I stop. I mean, if you don't like the dirty windshield, I guess go look at one of my other videos with clean windshield. Ah, 55. at that sunset. Out in the countryside with some snow. That's why they call it God's country. Being out here, having your own shop, and just come home with the truck. Talking about come home with the truck, man, you know, I mean, I know I post a lot about truck and stuff. Hey, though, only probably a few of you are even gonna hear this. I'm gonna become a dad, guys. Kind of a crazy feeling, really. I don't think I didn't think I'd ever be ready for it, but I don't think anybody's ever ready. You just learn as you go, as everything in life, I guess. But yeah, I mean, hopefully, God willing, everything works out good, and I'm gonna be a dad to a little girl. You know, super blessed and thankful for it, and definitely some life-changing news right there. So, my 30th birthday, I should be a dad. So, that's definitely something that I'm excited for about it this year. It's something that's gonna motivate me even more to strive and do better in this life, I guess. I gotta be more careful. Now there's more people depending on me. Yeah, but this 55, excuse me, this 55 sure as hell is very curvy. It's pretty narrow. Yeah, I mean, like Kentucky more over here, man. There's some bad routes in Kentucky. Like earlier I was down on I-81, it's like Morristown, Tennessee or something like that. It's not too far up from Knoxville, like maybe, you know, 30-40 miles. And it was giving me, I was going to Lexington, and it was giving me an option to take, I think it was like Route 25, and I just looked at it, how curvy it was. Time-wise, it was the same for me to go down to Knoxville, take 81, and then 40 and 75. So I just went that way. It was 20 miles more, but I'm like, dude, when you account these curves and stoplights and hills and these routes, it's way more worth it to go even extra miles, even if it's more time on the interstate. So yeah, that's where we're at right now, battling with these curves. Get you on these types of roads, especially in summer when the ground is soft. If you go off a little bit, it's so easy to lose control. And that's what's sketchy about it, especially in curves. I mean, your trailer, you can save it even if it goes off. But your steer tire, and once some of your drives go, oh, you're screwed up. My air compressor's been tripping out, so somebody tell me if you know what's going on, unless I figure it out in the meantime. So I know my lines are not frozen. I've been running the truck for a minute and I've drained my tanks and everything, and it's not that cold outside. Like, it's not below zero. It's probably like under 10 degrees, but it's still not absurd. You know, so what happens is randomly it'll do it, not all the time. So you know, before your air dryer lets the air out, what will happen is I'll hear hissing from my engine bay, almost like my compressor is letting air hiss out on the safety valve before air comes out the air dryer. I know it's not my air dryer doing it because I can hear it in my engine bay before my air dryer lets the air out. So, you know, it'll be like in the engine bay, it'll be hissing, 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 almost like when you have a leak on an air compressor. And then my air dryer will let air out. So yeah, that's weird, but yeah, if you know what that is, unless I figure it out in the meantime, let me know. Maybe a bad safety valve or what's it called? Governor. Yeah, this route would have been terrible if it was still snowing. All these curves and it's slippery and narrow. The roads are cleaned out pretty decent. Hopefully I don't have to go back up this way. If I do, it'll suck. Especially if I'm heavy. I don't even know how heavy this load is. Hey guys, I think that might even do it for today's video. A little bit of yeah, I'm sick. A little bit of blabbering, a little bit of sharing some good news, a little bit of scenery, dirty windshield, you know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like the head cam point of view back in stock. And we gotta keep on rolling. Stay safe, take it easy. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.